food that you're looking at can actually solve your problem. I believe this food helps you to solve problems. One day, my father asked me to go to the mall and buy pizza. When I came home, I was surprised because the pizza was cut into 4. Since we're 10 persons to eat, I went back to the mall and asked the crew to divide into 10 equal parts. The problem was solved. When I was in 10th grade, my teacher asked me to stand in front of my classmates to explain what was written in the blackboard. And I looked at the table for a long time. Then suddenly, I remembered that pizza can solve my problem. That pizza can be divided into equal parts. It can be divided into 4, 8, 10, or even 100. I realized that this pizza has something to do with this table. So this was my answer to my teacher. Sir, the table shows Beta in decile is divided into 10, and percentile is divided into 100, and the quartile is divided into 4 equal parts. Today, I'm going to show you what my teacher taught me. And that is how to solve problem about decile, percentile, and quartile of ungrouped data. We're gonna use the same data we had in grade 10 for solving decile, percentile, quartile, which we usually call measure of position, the position of a given value. Before we start, I'm going to change my dress. Let's take a closer look at their number. Let's imagine that what their number is the same as their score. The first thing we need to do, arrange their score from lowest to biggest. What is the first decile of the given dataset using the formula d sub 1 equals 1 times n plus 1 all over 10, and the data which is 11 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So let's substitute d sub 1 equals 1 times 11 plus 1 all over 10. Next, follow the order of operation. We're going to solve first inside the parentheses. It's gonna be 11 plus 1 is 12. Then copy the rest. Of course, multiply first before you divide. 12 times 1 is 12. Divided by 10 is 1.2. So 1.2 or 1 second, this is not the final answer yet because it has a decimal point of 2. 1 second is the only measurement of position, and it is located somewhere here because 5 is the first data. So the 1 second is between the 5 and 7. So to get the exact value of first decile is get the first number plus 0.2 times the second, which is 7, minus first number. So substitute the first, which is 5 plus 0.2 times 7 minus 5. So follow the order of operation. Let's solve the inside of parentheses. 7 minus 5 is 2. Copy the rest, then multiply before we add. So 0.2 times 2 is 0.4 plus 5 is 5.4. So 5.4 is the exact first decile. And now we know how to solve problem with a decile using this magic formula. D sub k equals k times n plus 1 all over 10, where the k can be 1, 2, 3, 4, up and until 10 because it's decile. It's a magic because to find second decile, k will also become 2. So let's try to solve second decile and follow what we did in the first decile. Using the same data was arranged from lowest to biggest number. Substitute the value of k, which is 2, n is 11 because we have 11 numbers. After we substitute the value of k and n, we're going to solve what inside the parentheses first. Then follow the order of operations. It's gonna be 11 plus 1 is 12. Then copy the rest. Of course, multiply first before you divide. 12 times 2 is 24 divided by 10 is 2.4. 2.4 is not the final answer yet because it has a decimal 0.4. This means that the measurement is located at second number, which is 7. So 2.4 is in between 10 and 7. So to get the final answer, copy the first number between these two numbers plus the excess decimal 0.4 multiplied by the difference between the first and second number. So first number is 7 plus 0.4 times second number, which is 10, minus the first number, which is 7. Solving inside the parentheses first. 10 minus 7 is 3 times 4 is 1.2 plus 7 will give us 8.2. So the exact second decile is 8.2. Now you learned how to solve decile. I will give you 2 minutes to solve the third and fourth decile of this given dataset, and you have to arrange it from lowest to biggest number. To write the data on your paper, you need to pause this video for a minute, then go back when you need to replay it. Are you ready? So your time start now. I know you are done. I will use my tools to speed up my checking of your answers. I just finished this math program and to be available soon for grade 10 learners. Let's answer the third decile first. And it's really important that we arrange the data sets or data from lowest to biggest numbers. If we don't, we will definitely get the wrong answers. So the data is already arranged from lowest to biggest numbers. Using these tools, I will just put the value of k, which is 3, because we are looking for third decile, and n is 11. The measure of position is 3.6. Let's count 1, 2, 3. So 3.6 is located between 10 and 11. So using the next formula, 10 will be our first number and 11 will be the second number. So let's put the decimal 0.6, and the value will automatically substitute in the formula. So this is the same what we did in our previous example, and the exact value is 10.6. For the fourth decile, k is 4 and n is 11. The measure of position is 4.8 and it's located between 11 and 12. So using the next formula, 11 will be our first number and 12 will be the second number. So let's put the decimal 0.8 here, and the value will automatically substitute in the formula. So the exact value is 11.8. So that's how easy to solve the decile. The rest of the decile will be your assignment, and you have to pass it to our e-classroom. I need to say goodbye for now because tomorrow morning I will make a home visit to learners who have difficulties in learning. In the next video lesson, we will finish the quartile and percentile. See you next week.